Y'all, I have been addicted to Haitian black rice. You have no idea, to where I got all I need. I got my black beans over here cooked. Then I got my yellow peppers. I have my red peppers, and I got my green peppers, and I got my garlic. What else I got in, y'all? That's it, y'all. All right, so everything is diced up. What I am making is epis. If you're Haitian, you know what that is. If you're not Haitian, I can't explain it to you because I am black. But I love their culture, I love their food, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook it for my family. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in this little blender. I'm gonna have to blend this first and then blend this second, but I'm gonna put in this mojo marinade in here and then blend it together. It smells good. Pour it in, pour it in, pour it in. I put about that much. My bootleg blender. The recipe did call for parsley and thyme, but I ain't got none of that. I'm gonna cook what I got because I'm hungry now. It's a little foamy, but that's okay because this is just a marinade. It's what we're gonna cook with. Gonna go ahead and add the rest of the peppers and minced garlic. Beans are boiling. The aroma. Please clean as you go because we ain't got time for dishes. And if you don't clean your sink like this, your mama didn't teach you right. Let's check our beans. They still a little hard. You want to make sure that they're soft enough to crunch up under your finger. Nah, they still a little hard. Food dance, food dance. I don't know if I mentioned before, but I'm making black rice, black Haitian rice. I had it the other day at this Haitian cuisine. I can't keep buying food now, so I'm just going to figure out how to make it at home. And that's what we're doing today. I really cannot get that song from Renee Rapp and Coco Jones out of my head called Tummy Hurt. Now my tummy hurts, he's in love with her, but for what it's worth, they make beautiful babies. To raise them up to be a couple of fucking monsters like their mother and their father. Eventually, 2043, someone's gonna hurt your little girl like your daddy hurt me. Coco said, baby, go open a Bible. Fine as hell for a psycho. Y'all heard Coco new song, Sweep It Up? I really need her on the billboards with Chloe and Halle because Coco, girl, you deserve it. Come on. I feel like I needed to add a little bit more water because the beans was looking a little dry. Alright, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. This is my second time adding more water because I did use raw beans. You could settle for them canned beans, but they ain't gonna hit the same, trust. Patience is a virtue when it comes to good food. I should have ate something before I started cooking. I'm sorry. Alright, beans are done when you can squish them. Ooh, god damn. When you can squish them, they soft enough, you can take them off the ice. You're gonna get you a bowl, you're gonna get you a strainer. You're gonna strain these beans in here, you're gonna keep the water. Hopefully I don't mess up nothing. Oh, that's alright. That's all right. Boom. Alright, so I'm going to transfer it to a bigger pot because I'm going to be adding the rice. Well, not right now, but eventually I'll be adding rice. So I'm going to just use some oil that I have. So I'm using sunflower oil. You can use whatever oil that you have. Add a good generous amount. That's enough. Now that epis, woo, damn, that smell good. Smell it. You're going to add some of that in there. Alright, so it's frying, it's cooking, and then you're going to add in your beans. It's gonna look like this. And then I'm gonna add some Maggi, which is like chicken bouillon. Oh, says it right there in English. You got 1 cube of this. And I'm just gonna crumble it around so then it's not one whole big lump of bouillon, whatever the word is. And I am washing my hands in between. I've been washing dishes in between. Yeah, make sure you keep your kitchen clean. Alright, and then I'm just going to add just a little bit of salt. There, that's enough. And then just let the beans cook just a little bit. Just don't let them get too soft because then it's going to be mushy in your rice because we're going to be adding rice real soon. After your beans cook down enough, I'll probably wait about 5 minutes, 4 minutes. I'm going to add that water back in because then we're going to be adding our rice. And that's what's going to give it that black color. Hence, Haitian black rice. Gonna go ahead and get your rice. I'm just going to use the rest of what we have because I bought some more. And please always wash your rice. Yeah, that cloudy water, that means it's dirty rice. So you need to clean it until this water is almost clear. Let this be my final rinse. This is the workout, I'm telling you. But you see how you can see the rice? That's what you want. There you go. There's the color. That's what you want. It's like my 6, rinse, 6, 7. All right, go ahead and add the rice. Off camera. Ooh, smells good. Rice is added. So we just gonna let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. I put it on 4 because I don't want it to, you know, cook too fast. I want it to seep. Ooh. Add some butter in there. Alright, so I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit. I put some aluminum foil on it just to kind of trap the heat because I don't want it to come out of here. I want the heat to stay in. I want it to all cook and marinate and get all the flavor in it. Melt that butter down. And I'm going to come back in probably another 3-4 minutes. Check it again. Y'all see? And I like to add just a little bit more color. So I added some more red peppers, yellow peppers, and celery for some crunch and some freshness. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Hey, wake up. Food is served. My man was supposed to be the one cooking it, but he's fasting and he fell asleep. So I had to do it. But I did it right. I did it right.